reading. Today we're going to be reading EAS alarms. Basically, it's an extended version. This is... Oh. Kinda sounds like weird. 1 out of 10. This sounds like the ice cream shop. This ain't scary. Not scary. That's all true. Why does that sound like Siren Head? There was a man who ran in. There's a man who fell in the river on Lego City! Oh, no. There's literally the US one. There's a man who fell in the river on Lego City and the river is made out of Legos! Help him! Save him! That kind of sounds like a car. I'm not scared. Queen Elizabeth is unconscious! Yeah? I don't know. Kind of sounds like a TV breaking down. The countdown. This kind of sounds like a factory alarm in the US. Beep. Beep. What is this? That's a high-pitched USA alarm. So it kind of sounds like... Bruh, France ain't even trying. What is this? Why does it sound like a duck? Brazil. This is Brazil. You're going to Brazil. What is this? What? Sounds like a cord. Amber or grease. It's basically. Oh. Yes, alarm, but kind of a different. We should really change our alarm. Sounds like it's saying E. Which one is doing better? But it sounds like that. It's like a glitch. South Korea again. It's a little better. The UK literally has an US alarm. Germany. Germany is funny. Bow wow 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 wow. Mayors are dead. More beep. Beep. Philippines. Indonesia. Even more beep. Sounds very interesting. Japan again. What? At least it doesn't sound like the ice cream truck. Portugal again. My ears. England. What if this wasn't a word for like a nuclear attack, but someone thought it was their phone? That would be funny. Funny. Japan again. Hey, didn't know Japan made scary alarms. Didn't know Japan tried. Potato? Potato. Right, I didn't know. Who's being abducted? North Macedonia. My question is, why does this country have such a big name? Indonesia again. Malaysia again. Well, my head is dead. Literally the cano. Other one, but scary. Because of copyright, this is reversed, but if you want. This guy sounds like Simon Head. Nope. A man has failed in Lego City. Hey, you need an ambulance. It's an ambulance. He needs it. And then it's moving. Jesus. Grease again. Why does it sound like a falling? Why does it sound like a falling helicopter? It honestly sounds like a falling helicopter. Like calling that a falling helicopter. Falling helicopter. I didn't know animals had scary EAS alarms. Turkey is a country, but it's also an animal country. I have so many turkeys. I've seen so many turkeys that they can fit right in. And like, seriously. This sounds like Turkish alarm but reversed. First. What? It doesn't even sound good. Saudi Arabia again. Saudi Arabia won. Kuwait. Iran on crack. Yeah, it's basically Iran's, but on crack. It's Iran's, but on... Can't actually say the word. If I said I'm gonna edit it out. It's Iran. But it's Iran. And I can't see the rest because they would piece it together. Explode. Yeah, explode my eardrums. Maybe they're trying to do that for a better effect. Brazil. I thought you would be better. I'm not going to Brazil anymore because you decided to make a bad EAS alarm. How many audio tracks did they use to even make this? I hear about 4, I think. Oh, Ukraine. This is from Ukraine. Yeah. What is that? Sounds like a cat dying. I'm not. Oh, these guys are really funny. Yeah, this sounds like a cat's dying. I'm not scared to be EAS alarms anymore. Never mind! Oh my Jesus. France. Okay, everyone go attack Russia. Everyone kill Russia before Everyone kill Russia. Getting up and kill Russia. How long is this going on for? UAE. Another US one. Jordan seems to be named after someone. It sounds like a lawnmower. It's this number out of 10. Anyway, I can't say that number. Why? Anyway. Sounds like a long moment. Never mind. Bye, guys.